Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This time we're going to be taking a look at circumference, but a little bit different, or using circumference to find the diameter instead of using the diameter to find the circumference. In both times, we would use circumference equals diameter times pi. Now in this case, the circumference of the roll of caution tape decreases 10.5 inches after construction worker uses some of the tape, which is the best estimate of the diameter of the roll after the decrease. So we know right here tells us the circumference is 31.4. So what this is telling us is the circumference is equal to 31.4. If that's the case, our diameter would just simply be 31.4 equals d times pi. And we could substitute in pi and do all this, substitute in 3.14. When we did that, we'd find out the diameter was 10, but that's not what we're looking for. So I know it's not going to be 10 inches because I'm decreasing this 31.4 by 10.5. So 10 is my answer just for what it was before we took off the 10.5 inches. So in this case, what we want to do is 31.4 minus 10.5, 21, and so 20.9. 20.9. So now I can take this. This is my new circumference. So now I can take this and this, combine them again. So I'm going to take this 20.9 and put it in for where I find C because it's equal to C. So I have 20.9 is equal to diameter times pi. Now when I do that, I'm going to hopefully notice that this is about 3, this is about 21. So because of that, this is basically, I'm estimating on all these, this. So if I do that, I divide each side by 3, I get 21 divided by 3, which is going to give me 7 is about my diameter. Here's 7, there's my answer, so I'm gonna fill in, and I'm going to be able to move on. So which is the best estimate? Well, I knew it couldn't be 12 because 10 was the original. It's not 10 because, again, it's the original. I haven't taken anything off. And when I go through and I estimate pi to 3, because that's pretty close, 3.14 and 3, pretty close. And I estimate this up to 21, again, pretty close. It's just 9/10 off, so, or sorry, 1/10 off. So here, divide by 3, get 7, so it's not 5, it's 7. And before we even got there, we could have easily known that it can't be these two. So we are down to just 2 options. Don't forget to ask questions if you have any concerns. Don't forget to hit rewind anywhere you need to. Watch the video as many times as you need to. Take those notes and be resilient.